Hi everyone, I'm back with this mini book project for you. It is made of felt and has 6 book pages. This small book is a really great toy for infants and toddlers. The felt I'm gonna use is a Korean stiff felt. It is 100% polyester and the thickness of the felt is 1.2 millimeters. Now I would like to show you how to work with my PDF. These are the buttons for our book pages. And here is the button for the page panel. For our book we need to cut 6 of them. So here is my felt sheet and my A detail. Place on fold means place the button, draw it, and after that turn it over and draw the button on the other side. Well, once you trace the button accurately, cut it out. Cut out B and C details in the same way. Okay, I have my A, B and C details, my 6 panels, and the animals designs I'm gonna use for my mini book. My mini book template is available on my Etsy store. The link to my shop you can find in the description box under the video below. Now let's look at the book pages. Here are the book spines and their widths differ. And this is the way it should be. Make sure you cut the details in the right way. When you cut and assemble these details in the correct way, the book edge should be nice and even. And yes, it is better to name each detail, so the details don't get mixed up. That's it. I already laid out all the designs and now they are ready to be sewn in place. My detailed video on how I sewed this dog will be linked down below. Okay, now all the pages are ready. Now I am going to assemble the panels and the pages together. I'm using my Wonder Clips for holding project layers together. So now let's go to the sewing machine and stitch along the edges. So here I'm using an apple green thread for the bobbing and a light blue for my top thread. Okay, here is one side and here is the back side. For stitching my next page, I just have changed my top thread to a light mint green. And here is the result. And the last one, the same thread for the bobbin and the yellow one for the top thread. Okay, looks good. Now I am going to add a string to the spine of my book. Please make sure the maximum safe circumference is not more than 38 centimeters. The string is going to be stitched onto the center of the spine of the B detail. I am zigzagging my 2 ends of the string together and after that stitching that string onto the place right in the center of the book spine, like so. Okay, we are almost done. The last step is to make a final stitch to bind all 3 book details together. But first, make sure you arrange the details in the correct order. Now I'm gonna take my C detail and draw markings for my final stitch. Here it is. Now I'm placing my details on top of each other, the C detail, then the B detail, and the A detail is on the top. I'm lining up the edges of the spines, making sure all three are aligned. Now be careful and take your time. You need to assemble to position all three details like so. The details should be symmetrically arranged, like so. And I'm using my Wonder Clips to hold all my details together. It's back to my sewing machine. I have my resistant Gutermann Mara thread on top and in my bobbin. So I am going to make a stitch following my markings. I am sewing slowly, making sure everything is aligned and even. Okay, that's it. All I need to do now is to hide my thread tails. And we are done with this project. I hope you enjoyed this, everybody. All the information, links to my Etsy shop and to my Patreon page will be linked down below in the description box. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like, comment and share this video. Happy creations! Thank you! Bye for now!